Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of Facebook Messenger on iPhone. So as you can see, Messenger app is not like any other app. You can't see, just scroll down and see a log out button and just easily go out or log out from this account. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the account center, and after you press the account center, you're gonna press mid down button, which is password and security. And as you can see right here, multiple options. We're gonna click on where you logged in. So after we click on it, you're gonna see your account on Facebook right here. We're gonna proceed and select the device that we want to be logged out, and select all, which is this phone, because this is the phone that I am logged in right now. So I'm gonna just log out, and successfully you are logged out from this account. And as you can see right here, I'm logged out of Messenger. So that wraps it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, following it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.